Yes, I do know that every situation has a practical solution, and its solutions can be given in writings, in book or research. But yes, I am going to read this book in front of you, Acharya Prashant, Truth Without Apology. फॉर दोज टायर्ड ऑफ स्वीट लाइज, यानी कि ये किताब उनके लिए है जिन्हें मीठे झूठ पसंद नहीं है. चैप्टर 120 एंड द टॉपिक इज वेयर रेप रियली बिगिंस. कहाँ से शुरू होता है? ओके. All forms of cruelty share the same root, whether it is rape, genocide, or the extinction of species. They all arise from the same barren soil, the absence of love, the absence of awareness, the abundance of ignorance. यानी कि आप चाहे किसी भी क्रूअल एक्शन की बात करो, भले ही वो रेप हो, जिनोसाइड हो, एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ स्पीसीज यानी कि हैबिटेट लॉस की बात करो, या फिर क्लाइमेट चेंज की बात करो, एनी टाइप ऑफ क्राइम, सबका जो अराइजिंग रूट होता है दैट इज लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, लव एंड abundance of ignorance. Next, is rape just an isolated sexual event, or is it a process, an accumulating violence that finally erupts in a grotesque climax? We are trained to see the world as something to consume. Our ideas of progress and happiness often revolve around grabbing more, owning more, destroying more. This is not just economics, this is mindset. Consider simple contact. When you touch someone or something, what is the intention? To nourish or to extract pleasure? Is there any love in that touch? We humans even don't spare small plants or small trees. इस आदत से आप भी बहुत अच्छे से वाकिफ़ होंगे कि हम अगर कॉल में भी बात कर रहे होते तो अगर सामने पेड़ पौधा होता है, हम यूं ही बात करते ही करते, न जाने कब हमारा हाथ उसी पौधे के पत्तों को तोड़ने लग जाता है. वी कैन नेवर nourish that plant or care about that leaves until and unless वो प्लांट हमने खुद प्लांट किया हो और उसकी देख रेख शाम सुबह को करते हैं. How far is loveless, self-serving contact from exploitation, mental, physical or sexual? The line is thin, too thin. We must stop treating rape as an isolated horror. If we are serious about ending it, we must understand how it grows in homes, in films, in politics, in jokes, in silences. Look around. Our rivers choked, forests scrapped bare, hill stations buried under plastic, spaces vanishing without names. What is this if not collective rape of nature, of dignity, of the sacred? Where there is power without love, technology without awareness, contact without reverence, abuse follows. And when abuse becomes a way of life, rape is not an aberration. It is the culmination. What is needed is not just punishment but purification. Not just reaction but revolution in the way we live, touch, relate, and desire. We need an education that doesn't merely prepare us to earn or argue but to love rightly. Only that will end this madness. Yes, it is not an isolated action which occurs just by the hands and thoughts of that culprit.